Hey guys, well girls, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a install / review on the Kuryakyn. I think I'm saying that correctly. Kool Kap's engine kit, twin cam and EVO. Supposedly this is for the Ultra Classic. I'm going to see if they fit. Since I did that work on the primary and everything's back together, I took the other ones off and they were kind of trash. So for the, I think it was 45 bucks for this kit, I figured I'll give it a shot. It's not that expensive, they're just plastic. With the kit, you get quite a few bolt covers. Many different bolt covers for different screws, nuts. Comes with some silicone glue to glue those on, and of course the installation instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and read this, and then I'll get back to you guys with how to put these things on. All right, first ones I'm going to try is these here. See if this will just fit on without the silicone. I don't really want to silicone them if I don't have to. Oh yeah, they go right on nice too. Just take them. You can silicone them if you want, but these are pretty tight. They fit right on there snug. If I lose one or two, it's not a big deal. Makes it look really nice. It's a finishing touch to the engine. Gotta be careful, the engine's warm still. I just came back from a ride. Woo, that's hot. See if these will fit on these. Oh yeah, nice. There you go, looks good doesn't it? Just push them on. If they don't fit snug, you guys, you're gonna have to use the silicone glue to keep them on, but right now, these are fitting really nice. All right, let's see the head bolts. What do we got for head bolts? Might have to use the glue on these, I'm not sure. Oh no, it actually fits on really good. Not bad at all, huh? Push that down with me, a screwdriver. There you go. Beautiful. Used to have the old covers, the little ones, and they get worn out and pop off. Don't look as good. A couple that you really see. Can you get close up? There we go. Not easy to push on, I'll tell you that. Alright, so I'm going to just throw some silicone on there. Just a little bit. That'll help silicone it right on the bolt. There we go. I'm on cover and spray right now. So there you have it. The Kuryakyn kit covers. Comes with plenty of extras. And for 43 bucks or 45, whatever I paid for it, I believe it was a great deal. A lot cheaper than buying specific ones by Customs or something like that for your bike. I mean, these covers, when you take them off, you're probably going to damage them, and you do with all of them. So, best deal to cover bolts on your bike, especially your Harley. Thank you for watching. Leave some reviews, comments below, and that's about it, really. Have a good day, guys.